the church bell ringing for the Yedi at our beautiful little church. St. Francis Church, Byrness. I'll go in and show you the church. This is to remember that 75 years ago today, the end of the Second World War. This is inside the church and the lady's ringing the bell. As you can see, it's under construction at the minute, but you can see how beautiful it is. I have posted photos. I think we've got to allow it go a bit further up. Just by what I was watching, pull it down and let it go further up. I was watching when they were ringing and the arm wasn't going to the top. It's like a workout, isn't it? I know.
Oh. See all the rocks coming out here on the top now.
Do you not get funding for it?
The residents will cost about 45,000 to put it right. I don't believe that. But we've got one course, but you know.
We'll have to start having fundraisers and
Well,
things.
we've tried. I mean, we managed to get money for the roof. We got a grant for the roof off the lottery. And we got 2,000 quid off my old boss. That's good for him there now. And me and Joss think about it. We did us this book. Oh, it's mega money. It's hard to raise that kind of money, isn't it?
Well, my once the lockdown and everything's over, my land girls, the British Region land girls is starting. So the more people I can get to join them, we could do a fundraiser for the church.
That would be fantastic. Well, I'll help you with that.
Right?
Yeah. Absolutely.
No, the bells don't ring every day. They're ringing them today for VA Day. Because Sue, I'm very special, that's why they've allowed me to come in. But I am keeping my distance, as you can see. Oh, we often come in. Well, a man stopped outside yesterday and he shouted, "I've been reading your comments in the book. How are you?" And but I didn't know who it was. Oh, excuse me. This is all Ernie's hard work today, because sadly there's a funeral this week. Oh, right. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Thank you very much for letting us in. I know, but thank you anyway. Thank you, bye. I will. Bye. I'm just fastening the gate. This is a notice board and it's called St. Francis Church, Byrness. There was the building of the Cat Clough Reservoir. There's a window inside dedicated to the people who lost their lives there. And there was actually a lot of children. But once I can go back into the church, I'll let you know like the proper story about it. Sure. There they are. Let's have a look at the A68. Very quiet. It's my son watering the plants. Right, I'm going to go, folks. Get ready to do me a little bit of singing, so I hope you are all going to watch. And again, they rang the bells at 7 o'clock to commemorate VE Day. And with the church being under construction, it was lovely for them to come and do that. Right, bye for now.